Us live from the spot. Manohar, what exactly are the details that are you picking up from the ground? It's a major engineering marvel that is set to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi.
All right, Ria, this is a historical day because today is the Ramnami, the birthday of Lord Rama. और अभी हम मौजूद हैं न्यू पम्बन ब्रिज पे, जिसके बारे में आपने बताया भी कि ये पम्बन ब्रिज जो है सो देश का पहला न्यू वर्टिकल सी ब्रिज है। और इसकी खास बात यह है कि ये 5 साल में बनकर के तैयार हुआ है। न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल है, मेक इन इंडिया के तहत बनाया गया है। इसमें सिर्फ 2 ही जो सेकेंडरी गियर बॉक्स हैं वो जर्मनी से इंपोर्ट की गई है। और जो चैलेंजेस यहाँ के थे, चैलेंजेस क्योंकि ये वर्ल्ड का सबसे ज़्यादा कोरोजन वाला प्लेस है। ये जो है जंक्चर है बे ऑफ बंगाल और इंडियन ओशियन का। अपने वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट अविनाश शुक्ला से कहेंगे कि वो दिखाएं, क्योंकि न्यू पम्बन ब्रिज यहाँ से दिखा नहीं सकते। हम ट्रेन के अंदर सवार हैं और पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी कुछ ही क्षण में यहाँ पर पहुँचने वाले हैं। और ये जो सड़क ब्रिज आप देख रही हैं ऊपर, जो येलो का निशान दिख रहा है कलर से, ये सड़क ब्रिज है। और इसी से प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इस ट्रेन को हरी झंडी दिखलाएंगे और इसी के नीचे से एक शिप को भी हरी झंडी दिखलाएंगे। भारत और श्रीलंका के बीच रिलेशनशिप, क्योंकि सीधे श्रीलंका के 2 दिवस के दौरे के बाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी तमिलनाडु के रामेश्वरम में लैंड करने वाले और यहीं से वो हरी झंडी दिखलाएंगे। तो सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि इसका सामरिक दृष्टि से भी बहुत ज्यादा महत्व है, स्ट्रेटेजिक पॉइंट्स इसका है, साथ ही साथ टूरिस्ट प्लेस के लिए, साथ ही साथ तमिलनाडु के लिए, क्योंकि तमिलनाडु का मिशन मोदी के लिए अहम मिशन है। हमने देखा कि लोकसभा चुनाव के दौरान भी पीएम की रैलियां रही। पीएम किस तरह से यहाँ है, रामनवमी का दिन है और जो राम भक्त हैं अयोध्या से सीधे रामेश्वरम जुड़ जाएंगे, क्योंकि इसका एक रिलीजियस वैल्यू भी है, मेडिसिनल वैल्यू भी है और कल्चरल वैल्यू है। तो ये जंक्चर ऑफ कल्चरल और साथ साथ मॉडर्नाइजेशन का है, मतलब कहा जाए संस्कृति और आधुनिकता का संगम है। तो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। और इसके बारे में हमारे साथ जुड़ चुके हैं रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री के स्पोक्स पर्सन और एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर दिलीप कुमार। सर, thanks to join with us. What is the real importance and significance of New Pamban Bridge?
Today is the birthday of Lord Ram, and Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi is going to give a gift to the nation. All the people will have the privilege of going to Rameshwaram through this new Pamban bridge, which is an engineering marvel also. This bridge, the length of the bridge is 2.078 kilometer, and it has 100 spans. Out of the 100 spans, one is vertical lifting system span, and it can be taken up by the electromechanical system up to the 17 meter in height. And when we'll lift the bridge, then the big ship will pass under the bridge from one side to the other side. Other than that, we are having 99 spans in this bridge, and the length of each of the span is 18.3 meter. Advanced anti-corrosion technology has been used in this bridge, so it will long last. Unlike the old bridge, where the maximum speed of the train was 10 to 15 kilometer, here this bridge has been designed where the train can move even up to the speed of 160 kg, but kilometer per hour. But right now CRS has permitted for 75 kilometer per hour. So whatever the trains which we are running from the different parts of the country up to Mandapam, now it will be extended to Rameswaram. Other than that, Honorable Prime Minister is going to flag off a new train also today. This train will be between Rameshwaram and the Tamram. So this is the second gift given by Honorable Prime Minister.
We are inside this train.
Yes, we are inside the train, and very soon.
Feeling very, very pride.
Yes, it's a matter of honor not only for the railway but also for each and every citizen of our country that our engineers are successful in constructing such a marvelous bridge with Indian indigenous technology. You know, the design of this bridge has been done by the IIT Chennai and IIT Bombay, and the engineers of Railway Vikas Nigam Limited, which is a subsidiary of Indian Railway, have got it constructed. So obviously now the world will know that India is a real superpower in the field of the construction, and we are capable of constructing such type of marvelous structures which will which will not only long last, but in adverse condition also we can work hard and we can create wonders.
This is also a factor of to complete the dream of developed India.
Yes, we are working with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister, Viksit Bharat at 2047, and this is one of the best example. In the recent past, Indian Railway has completed construction of many of the wonderful and challenging bridges, like a bridge on the river Chenab, which is higher than the Eiffel Tower, then Anji Khad bridge in Kashmir, and this is also one of such type of the bridge with a vertical span, and this type of bridge first time in Asia we have constructed this type of the bridge with Indian technology.
Sir, one last question. So what is the significant and strategic importance of this route?
Rameshwaram is a very, very important station in Indian Railway. It connects Rameshwaram Island with the mainland of our country, and one of the last point of our nation is the Rameshwaram also in this area. So if you see historically, we have the concept of Asetu Himalaya. That means from Setu Bandh Rameshwaram to Himalayas, India is a nation, India is a country. So now Indian Railway is capable of completing the journey. People can do the journey from Rameshwaram to the Kashmir through railway. So this is the main importance, that the railway will further play and further enhance the unity and the integrity of the.
We also improve the relation between Sri Lanka and India, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi directly come here, and in the Sri Lanka he also signed many MOUs, flag of trains. So how do you see?
See, Sri Lanka is a neighboring nation, and we are having a historical relationship with Sri Lanka. Okay, the further comment will be given by the MEA in this regard. But of course, as a citizen of the country, we are very proud of that. Our Prime Minister is having very good relationship, not only with the Sri Lanka, but with many of the countries, almost all of the countries in the world. And India is becoming a world leader in the not only in the politics but in the other fields also.
थैंक यू सर ज्वाइन विथ न्यूज एक्स। रिया, इसके अलावा अगर मैं बताऊं तो चाइना अब भारत को आंख नहीं दिखा सकता, क्योंकि इसका एक अलग स्ट्रेटजी महत्व है, क्योंकि चाइना श्रीलंका के आसपास जो हम्बन टोटा पोर्ट है वहां पर वो डेवलप कर रहा है, बहुत सारी चीजें उन्होंने श्रीलंका को कब्जे में ले लिया है। तो ऐसे में अगर वो चाह रहा है कि भारत को आंख दिखा दे तो वो आंख नहीं दिखा पाएगा। भारत यहां से मुंहतोड़ जवाब देने की
All right, Manohar, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast and sharing those details. Meanwhile, we have with us Akash Jindal, economist, joining us on the telecast. Akash Jindal, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Akash, in terms of this bridge, how do you think that this bridge is going to help in generating tourism and also revenue